2025 World Environment Day 5 Electric motorcycles leading India's green mobility revolution. 8 As India looks for cleaner, smarter ways to move, electric motorcycles are stepping up as a symbol of progress. This World Environment Day, going green is not just a choice, it's necessity. Electric motorcycles offer a clean and efficient method of commuting, reducing pollution significantly and sustainable engineering. Green motorcycles are not only means of transport, they are powerful pledges to a greener and cleaner world. Following are 5 electric motorcycles designed to go with different lifestyles, and symbolizing environmental well-being and sustainability. Price range Rs 1,54,999. If one bike has flipped the switch on India's electric two-wheeler scene with design and features, it's the Farado Disruptor by OPG Mobility. With a 6.37 kilowatts PMSM motor, 109 kilometers certified range, and a top speed of 95 km/h, this motorcycle combines aggressive styling with real-world capability. Its 17-inch alloy wheels, telescopic front suspension, and dual disc brakes deliver confident control, whether in traffic or on the highway, making it a reliable and environmentally friendly option. The bike can be fully charged within 5 hours. It comes with a warranty of 3 years or 30,000 kilometers on the battery, motor, controller, and charger, and 1 year on the main harness, converter, suspension, and rims. And if bought on Flipkart, one can avail up to Rs 6,000 off discount. Price range Rs 1,67,499. The Torque Kratos R retails at Rs 1,67,499 with 4 kWh battery and high torque motor, creating a top speed of 105 km/h and an impressive 180 km range. This one's aimed at those who want an electric motorcycle that fits right into their daily commute and occasionally goes the extra mile. It also has digital instrumentation, mobile connectivity, and rugged suspension, all wrapped in a package that feels practical and powerful. Torque Kratos R comes with a warranty of 3 years or 40,000 kilometers, whichever comes earlier. It takes 45 hours to fully charge. Price range Rs 2,99,000. This motorcycle is built for both performance and sustainability. It is fitted with a massive 10.3 kWh battery and offers an impressive 307 km range. What is its top speed? 152 km/h. This bike is about pushing limits without pushing emissions. Its aerodynamic design, aerospace-inspired frame, and regenerative braking system make it as smart as it is fast. The Ultraviolet F77 comes with a standard warranty of 3 years or 30,000 kilometers, whichever comes first for the vehicle. It can be fully charged in approximately 5 hours or less with charging boosters. Price range Rs 1,71,250. The Evakis is for those who like their motorcycles to turn heads. It's sleek, modern, and runs clean thanks to a 4.32 kWh battery that delivers 140 km per charge. With a 100 km/h top speed, LED lights, and a solid brake setup, this one combines everyday functionality with flair. Whether you're commuting or cruising, the Evakis proves that sustainability can look good, and ride even better. The Autos Evakis comes with a 3 year warranty for the battery and a 1 year warranty for the motor, whichever comes first. It is fully charged in 6 hours. Price range Rs 1,83,305. Matters Era brings a high-tech twist to the electric motorcycle market. A 5 kWh battery powers this futuristic-looking bike to a top speed of 105 km/h, with a solid 125 km range. Its liquid-cooled motor ensures high efficiency even on longer rides. Its intelligent design makes the Era stand out from its competitors. The Era comes with a standard warranty of 3 years or 45,000 kilometers, whichever comes earlier. Flipkart is currently offering a 5% discount on this model. It takes 5 hours to fully charge. Swipe left for next video. The use of electric vehicles is not just a trend, it is a significant move towards real change. Electric mobility use significantly reduces emissions, reduces noise pollution, and saves precious energy resources. By selecting electric motorcycle, riders help in saving our planet with cleaner air, a healthier environment, and a sustainable future legacy. Altogether, shifting these changes to our transport sources can make a huge difference, changing the way we travel and coexist with our environment. Latest blogs.